Nicely updated ranch walkout on 1.5 beautiful rolling wooded acres in the heart of Portage. Large windows on both levels let you enjoy the view. 3-season porch with wood beams and skylight lead to a large updated kitchen with plenty of storage. Owner's suite has its own fireplace, full bath, and plenty of closet space. Dining area leads to a nice living room while a second bedroom and bath complete the main floor. Walkout level has a family room with fireplace, barn door storage, and access to the patio. Lower level also has full bath and 2 large rooms with closets. Great workspaces, office, or could easily be made into extra bedrooms. Large bright laundry room. Property to the south is owned by the city and